Ready to turn your meme game into a money-making machine? Hold tight because Meme is about to drop, and I'm here to give you the inside scoop on how to bag a cool $6,000 before it even hits the market. Imagine waking up to $6 grand in your wallet, all from playing a game about memes. Sounds too good to be true? Well, get ready, because October 9th is D-Day for Meme, and if you're not ready, you're going to be left in the dust while the smart money laughs its way to the bank. Here's the deal. To get in on the action, you need to know that the real magic happens at level 20. That's when the big rewards start rolling in. And guess what? I'm going to show you how to fly through those levels faster than you can say to the moon. Look to the right of your screen. You've got 2 golden tickets to potential riches. The first is a shot at a daily giveaway worth up to $3,000. All you need are 16 eats to qualify, and winners have walked away with over $6,000. The secret? It's all in the spin game. It's fun, it's addictive, and with the right strategy, it's your key to winning. Here's a pro tip. Don't just spin for fun. Crank that multiplier to x1000 and watch your chances skyrocket. In the time it takes to brew a coffee, you could be in the running for some serious gains. But there's more. While you're spinning, you're also taking down bosses and leveling up. And level 20 is where the party really starts. New bosses, new challenges, and even bigger rewards await. The daily grind. It's like a lottery with way better odds. But listen up, Meme's not just a pre-launch hype machine. When it drops on October the 9th, you want to be positioned for the maximum airdrop, and this is where the real strategy kicks in. Let's keep it real. Don't put all your crypto eggs in one basket. Remember the Pixelverse or hamster hype. Those airdrops had people grinding for months, only to end up with enough to buy a Happy Meal. It's a painful reminder that in crypto, not every drop delivers. But here's why Meme could be different. It's got the potential, but even if it doesn't blow up, don't let it crush your crypto dreams. Diversification is the name of the game. While you're leveling up in Meme, make sure you're also leveling up your knowledge. Study market trends, learn to read charts, maybe even test the waters with day trading. Knowledge is power, and timing is everything in crypto. Meme could be your golden ticket, but it's not the only game in town. Use this as an opportunity to learn, grow, and maybe make some sweet gains along the way. So what's your move, crypto fam? Are you ready to dive into Meme and potentially score some pre-launch ETH? Are you prepared to take your crypto game to the next level, beyond just chasing airdrops? Here's your action plan. Log into Meme daily, spin to win those ETHs, level up to 20 ASAP, check the giveaway results. Most importantly, keep learning and diversifying your strategy. Drop a comment below with your Meme level, and let's hype each other up. And if you found this valuable, smash that like button and hit subscribe for more no BS crypto insights. Remember, in the wild west of crypto, the real winners are those who stay informed, stay active, and never stop learning. Meme's launch is just the beginning. Are you ready to turn those memes into dreams? Let's get this bread, fam. Until next time, let's ride the wave.